Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name's Evan. In today's video, I'm going to break down my trades for you guys, update you guys on some new information, right? Some new just news in general that has come out today and over the past week. And we're going to talk about hopefully the future for the market, right? So first things first, jumping into on Wednesday, November 30th, Jerome Powell spoke about, Jerome Powell spoke about the Fed hopefully not raising interest rates as aggressively as they previously were, right? So previous interest rate hike was 0.75%. He was talking about a possible 0.5% interest rate hike. And so that obviously caused the market to rise. As you can see, right? Wednesday, November 30th, that was from that speech. So overall right here, this is about a 14% move. So in my case, I was not able to trade that. I was not at my trading station, and I didn't feel comfortable trading it on my phone. So congratulations to everybody who was part of that move. I hope you locked in profits and continue making green trades. But that following day, obviously, it was kind of choppy just because of that huge push up. And so today, moving forward today, Friday, December 2nd, pre-market at 8:30, the non-farm payroll has come out and has caused the market to push back down. Now we're still above the level that we were previously at before Jerome Powell speaking, but as you can see here, we had quite a significant pullback this morning, and then on a larger time frame, you can obviously still see we're above that previous range that we were in. So we're testing that for support now. The NASDAQ market's looking kind of weak as of today. We'll see where this goes. But so far today, I want to show you guys some of my trades and just kind of explain. Well, actually, I only had one trade today, but just kind of explain my thought process behind this. So as we can see on my screen, we have TQQQ. I traded TQQQ today. So as you can tell, right, the news came out and we were below the 200-day moving average. Being below the 200-day moving average, we didn't have too much of an advantage, right? So direction wasn't exactly in our favor. Except from that sell-off, we began to see a push up, right? Began to see a push up, and it was forming an uptrend, right? So I got in on some of this uptrend, and I was able to trade it. I didn't make too much today. I made around a 0.78%, so nothing crazy, but I'm completely fine with that because now the market's just kind of trending sideways, and I'm waiting for a proper entry. So yeah, that was my trade today. I think I did a good job just locking in profits at the overbought levels, given that it was kind of a small range to work with. So that was that. And then so one thing that I've been doing that maybe you guys can take into consideration is originally I was trading off of like the 1 minute time frame and the 5 minute time frame. I have since converted to using the 2 and the 5 minute. Now I still do look at the 1 minute occasionally, right? In which case, like if we're testing some like moving averages and the EMA are slightly different on the 1 minute, like obviously as you can see here, here's the 1 minute for TQQQ, and we're getting rejected right here at the 200 and I guess close to the 45-day EMA. But if you swap on over to the 2 minute, we're actually just below the 45-day EMA. So we're actually pretty far away from that moving average there. So sometimes the 1 minute can give you some false reality. See, even this breakout here, we broke above the 200-day moving average. But if you go back and look at the 2 minute on TQQQ, we weren't even close to that moving average at all. So it's just nice to look at both of those time frames to get an idea of where to sell out of things and where you could see, some sort of resistance. So that's one thing I've been doing, is kind of looking at the larger time frames, and then overall just looking at momentum, right? And looking at some of the indicators I have, right, are the RSI and the money flow index. So the money flow index, as you can see, TQQQ has been trying to make higher highs, but this money flow index, this is basically the amount of money flowing into that stock, right? Flowing into this ETF. And as you can see, it's been trending down the entire time that TQQQ has been trying to push up. So we're just kind of waiting for a possible break below there. I don't always have to be right in this situation, and that's why I'm waiting for confirmation. And that is one thing I recommend you guys do as well. But yeah, so hope you guys learned something from this video. That's just kind of a quick breakdown of what I traded today. Made a little bit of money, nothing crazy, but a green day is always a good day. So yeah, I hope you guys stayed up to date with some of this news. Hope this video kind of helped fill you in of where the market is at. And I do kind of see the market pushing up maybe a little bit more before we pull back. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have not already, drop a like down below, comment if you want to see more videos like this one, right? And subscribe to my channel for more. And I'll see you guys in the next video.